Hello and welcome to this short grammar presentation looking at interjections. So let's start with the question, what are interjections? Well, interjections are actually a part of speech. They're a type of word. And interjections are words which are used to express an emotion or a sentiment on the part of a speaker. They're often short words which don't have a particular meaning, but they just have an expression. They express an emotion. Okay, and these interjections are used separate of sentences, at the beginning of sentences or at the end of sentences. Like the words here. Well, yeah, eek, rats, darn. Okay, all interjections. Okay, and they don't fall into formal grammatical structures. They're just words or phrases used to add emotion or sentiment. Wow, that's what they are. Interjections are usually added at the beginning or the end of the sentence. Okay, and here's an example. Okay, that's amazing news. If you add an interjection, you say, wow, that's amazing news. You are so funny. Ha ha ha, you are so funny. Okay, an interjection, so it's something that's like injected into the sentence or into the beginning or into the end of the sentence. Okay, so interjection, it's added to a sentence to add more feeling. Okay, and here we have at the end of a sentence, we've missed the bus. We've missed the bus. Damn. Okay, interjection added to give a more feeling to the sentence. That tastes awful. That tastes awful. Yuck. Okay, interjection added to add more feeling. Very important, very useful and used frequently. So now it's your turn. Let's see if you can use these interjections correctly. Stop. Yeah. Wow. Hey. Oops. All interjections, which could be used at the beginning of a sentence. Which one would you use? So I'll give you a minute to go through this. Choose the correct interjection for each sentence, and then I'll show you the answers. If you've not finished yet, please hit the pause button, because I'm about to show you the answers. And here are those answers. Hey, why didn't you hold the door for me? Oops, I've spilt my coffee. Wow, did you see that dog riding a skateboard? Stop, come back here. That's a very difficult question. Yuck, that's the worst soup I ever tasted. Okay, so you can see interjections, very easy to use, and they really add a lot of emotion and feeling to regular sentences. Yay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this presentation about interjections. Very easy to use. If you've enjoyed it, please click like, click subscribe, and we have a whole series of videos about other parts of speech. So be sure to check those out. Thanks for watching.